Walkthrough is an alternative viewport navigation system that's best suited to moving around interior spaces. You walk by holding down certain keys on the keyboard. To learn which keys to use, open the Customize User Interface dialog box. And then choose the Walkthrough group. There are groups of keys organized for each hand. If you're using your right hand, press the arrow keys to move forward, back, left, and right. If you hold down the Shift key and press the forward arrow, you move up, and Shift back arrow moves you down. If you're using your left hand, the keys W, S, A, and D move you forward, backward, left, and right. And they're chosen because they're on the left-hand side of the keyboard. Up and down are the letters E and C. It doesn't say it here, but you rotate by dragging the mouse. There's more to it, but let's hold off trying to remember the keys until we give it a try. You trigger walkthrough mode by using this tool underneath the pan tool. Its symbol is a pair of shoes. I'll start by dragging in my viewport. Notice the cursor has changed to this target symbol. You may have to press the space bar to unlock the vertical rotation. Press L to level the view, and then move forward by pressing the forward arrow or the W key. Now I'm over the roof and I'd like to move down into the space, so I'll press Shift down arrow or C. Now that I'm in here, I'd like to lock the vertical rotation so I can't look up or down. Do that by pressing the space bar. Now dragging only lets me turn my head right and left. If I want to start moving through the space, I'll hold down the forward arrow, but notice that I moved too quickly. That means I should decrease the step size by pressing the left square bracket key. I'll press it a few times to decrease the step size. It's still a bit fast. I'll keep pressing left bracket until the speed seems about right. Now let's say I want to walk into the bedroom. I'll hold down the forward arrow key and drag the mouse, and it creates a coordinated motion. It definitely takes some practice, but it's well worth it. It's the best way to move around an interior.